Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil drop 0.8% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices jumped to an over 2-month peak, supported by a weaker dollar, and as markets flocked to the safe haven asset, as uncertainty surrounding US President Donald Trump's potential tariffs continued to loom. British government borrowing costs fell to their lowest since before the start of this month's sell-off, as investors on both sides of the Atlantic breathed a sigh of relief about Donald Trump's first moves as US President. Dogecoin jumped in double-digit percentage in 15 minutes, following the announcement of the official website launch of the US Government Efficiency Department, breaking its short-term downtrend.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 12 GMT. The US Red Book Index at 13:55 GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 11 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 23:50 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 7 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.